folks, this is Liu Will channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called the fried pork with soybean. Chinese name called 黄豆烩肉丁 or 黄豆烧肉丁. The main ingredients we need a piece of pork. I use pork leg, close to 1 pound. And we also need the soaked soybean. This soybean, I get 1 cup of dried soybean and soak in the cold tap water overnight, and then I rinse it a few times, and it already becomes soft, so they will easily be cooked. And we also need the 1 scallion, 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, and 3 small garlic. Those 3 small garlic close to 1 clove of garlic. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the scallion. This scallion I already washed and peeled the dead skin, the dead leaves. Right now we cut the root off, and then we cut it from the middle. And we just chop it. Try to cut as small as possible. So I will cut as small as this. If you can't cut it small, and you after you cut it, you can chop it. It's all up to you. This is the scallion we get. Okay, we cut the ginger. The ginger we need just 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon. It's up to you. If you love ginger, you can add more. Yeah, actually I love ginger. So I slice it and cut it very thin. Chop. Try to cut as small as possible. If not, we will chop it later, so don't worry. The ginger we get. Okay, cut the garlic. Cut this part off. The bottom, this part off. This part we cut it off. Okay, then we slice it. Try to as thin as possible. So try to as thin as possible like this. If you can't cut very thin, you can chop it later. It's all up to you. This is a garlic we get. Okay, we cut the meat. This meat we will slice it first. You can slice like this. If you feel it's too big, too hard, you can cut from the middle. Then to slice it, it's all up to you. So first we slice it. So we slice it like this thin. Not too thin or not too thick, just like this. We will cut the cube. So this meat we get one like this. We cut it. Then we cut it like this. So the final meat will be like a cube, like this big. This is the pork we get. We just cut it, pork we get. Turn on the stove. Medium fire. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. Rinse in the pot. Now it's cold, we added the ginger, garlic, and scallion or green onion into it. Also put a 1 star anise into it. And slowly fry until the ginger, scallion, and garlic release good smell. Now we added the pork into it and fry it. Just slowly fry until the pork fat go to the oil and there's no water left in the pot, and meat is most and fully cooked. Then we do the next step. Just slowly fry. Now you can see in the pot there's a lot of liquid. So we want just water and dry. It's gone. Just the pork fat and the oil and the pork in the. So we just let it slowly fry until those liquid is gone. Just the pork fat and the oil in the pot. We go through the next step. Now you can see just the oil and the pork and the pork fat and left in the no water left in the pot. That means we can do the next step. This is soaked soybean. Don't get the water into it. Just add the beans into it. Try not to get the water to it. Here's the fry. This is the dark soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce to it. This is the black pepper. We add a pinch of black pepper to it. This is the salt. We add, I think I add 1 teaspoon salt. If it's not enough, you can add before they get out. This is the chicken soup based mixture. We add a pinch to it, don't add too much. If you don't have the chicken, you can add the chicken broth into it. We add 1 cup of water to it. If you have hot water, it's better. So we add 1 cup of hot water to it. Add 1 cup of water. If you don't have, you can add water or you add chicken broth into it. You just add 1 cup of chicken broth into it. Because I already added the chicken soup based mixture, so I just add water. Cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes. We will check it. Now we can see, and the liquid nearly is gone. It's just 9 minutes is enough. So with the liquid is gone and the sauce thick up, so we don't need to wait for 10 minutes. Just you need to watch it, don't let pot dry up. So now we try the soybean. The soybean is good. Try the meat. The meat is good, the flavor is really good. So this dish is done, we come to the stew. So the fried pork with soybean, this Chinese name called 黄豆烩肉丁 or 黄豆焖肉丁 or 黄豆烧肉丁. This dish is done. And I hope you like it. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.